Hey guys, it's Gracie with WTI. Have you ever cuddled up in a merino wool blanket? Well, if not, you should definitely check out this one from Woolly Mammoth. This blanket is 66 by 90 inches and it is huge. I love that it almost covers our entire king size mattress. And usually my husband and I are fighting because one of us, not saying it's him, but one of us is always hogging the blanket. So I love that this is a larger size, making it perfect for us to cuddle up in together. So this is made out of a merino wool blend. It's a nice and thick blanket and it's super warm. Temperatures here have already started to drop into the 30s and 40s, and this blanket has been my #1 go-to in the early mornings and late evenings. And I also just love the neutral colors. So I got the beautiful navy and cream striped color, and no matter where I place this blanket, I think it just makes any area of my home look way more cozy and more inviting. I also really appreciate the double stitched edging. You can tell that it's made very well. It feels very tough and durable, and the stitching is done so perfectly, giving it that polished look. As I read in the reviews before getting this blanket, it does have that natural linoleum smell to it, but I just had to let it air out for several days and now I can barely smell it. They also send you a small recipe booklet for camping, which I thought was a really nice gesture. I don't know if you already know this, but the cool thing about merino is that it adapts to your body temperature, so you can actually use this in the warmer months as well. But for now, I'm going to enjoy this all winter long. And that's my point of view.